Are you one of the many people experiencing joint pain in your knees, elbows, or hands? It's easy to dismiss this discomfort as a normal part of aging, but ignoring it can lead to more serious issues. Untreated joint pain not only causes stress on the body, but can also result in long-term damage, like knee misalignment or chronic inflammation. So, what causes knee pain? While overuse, muscle wear and tear, and bone density loss are common culprits, did you know that vitamin deficiencies can also play a significant role? A lack of calcium, vitamin D, and iron can increase your risk of arthritis and joint inflammation. The good news? Joint pain doesn't have to be permanent. In fact, there's a natural remedy that can help relieve your pain in just a few days. In today's video, we'll explore how to prevent and treat joint and knee pain effectively, and it all starts with a simple, nutrient-packed smoothie. Before we dive into the remedy, it's important to note, if your knee pain persists for more than a week, it could indicate a more serious issue, and you should consult a healthcare professional. However, for everyday joint discomfort, a diet rich in vitamins, bromelain, and magnesium can work wonders. One of the most effective natural remedies is a smoothie made with cinnamon, pineapple, and orange juice. This powerful blend is packed with anti-inflammatory properties, silicon, bromelain, vitamin C, and magnesium, all essential for joint health. Here's why it works. Pineapple is rich in bromelain, a natural anti-inflammatory, and vitamin C, which strengthens bones. Cinnamon improves blood circulation, helping your body heal more efficiently. Orange juice provides additional vitamin C to strengthen ligaments and tendons. Ready to make this life-changing smoothie? Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 2 small cups of diced pineapple, 1 cup of rolled oats, 2 cups of water, 1 glass of orange juice, 1 cinnamon stick, natural honey. Directions: 1. Cook the oats in water for a few minutes, then let them cool. 2. Add the cooked oats, orange juice, cinnamon stick, pineapple, and honey to a blender. 3. Blend until smooth, adding water if you prefer a thinner consistency. For best results, drink this smoothie daily. After just 5 days, you should experience significant relief from joint and knee pain. Give this recipe a try and let us know in the comments. Did it work for you? Did you enjoy the taste? We'd love to hear your results. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips and remedies.